Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to compute this quotient using something known as synthetic division. So we have x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12, and it's all being divided by x plus 2. Let's go through this very, very carefully. So solution, SOL, means solution. First thing you want to do with synthetic division is, well, realize it only works when it looks like this, x plus 2, or like x minus 2, or x plus 7, or x minus 7. It has to have this form, x plus c. If it looks like x plus c, then you can use what's called synthetic division. So the first step is to switch the sign here. So there's a plus 2, so you want to make it a minus 2, and you draw this funny little bracket. Then you want to list the coefficients of the numerator, and if there's any coefficients missing, you have to put zeros there. For example, if there wasn't a 3x squared, if that term was gone, you have to use a 0x squared. In this case, nothing is missing, so the coefficient of x cubed is 1, so it's 1. The next one is 3. The next one is minus 4. And the next one is minus 12. And then we draw a line like this. Okay. So again, you switch the sign here on the bottom, and then you write down the coefficients, which are the numbers in front of the x's. And then we start the process, okay? The first thing you want to do is bring that 1 down. So you bring it down, okay? And then you start the multiplication process. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. You add, you get 1. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. You add, you get negative 6. Negative 6 times negative 2 is positive 12. You add, you get 0. And I like to put a little bracket here, and this is the remainder, okay? So let's go over that again because I did that quickly. So bring down the 1. So that's the first step. You just bring it down, right? That's the first step. And then you start the multiplication and addition process. So 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Then you add 3 plus negative 2 is 1. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 4 plus negative 2 is negative 6. Then you multiply. Negative 6 times negative 2 is 12. You add and you get 0. So now we can write the answer down. So what happens here, let me show you. I'm just going to scroll down here. Whoops, a little too fast. So what happens is, let me write down the original question. I have it here. The original problem was x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. Okay, and that's all being divided by x plus 2. So this is equal to, so because this is a cubic and we're dividing by x, which is a degree 1, right? We're going to start at degree 2 here. So it'll be 1 times x squared, or just x squared, plus 1 times x, or just x, minus 6. These are the coefficients of the polynomial that you get. And since you're dividing by a linear term, it's always just going to be 1 less in synthetic. And that's the answer, because it's plus 0 over the remainder. Rather, sorry, 0 is the remainder. So plus the remainder over the divisor, which is x plus 2. So it's quotient plus remainder over divisor. Okay, that's how it works. And so this is the answer. You don't have to write the 0. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Subscribe, like, all that stuff. And yeah, take care. Good luck.